Hello guys, let's know each other. My name is Annisa Fitri and I like drawing. And in this video, I wanna make I'm drawing digital art. But by the way, I should go somewhere for making my body relax. Let's go. Hello guys, back again with me, and now I'm in a library. Okay, we will go there. Now in front of me, you can see a beautiful view. That's right. Okay, by the way guys, I'll drawing my digital art using Photoshop in laptop. But don't be interested because I'm not as great as you think. So, hello, I will try my art using Photoshop. Truly, I just wanna enjoy. I'm drawing my digital art, but in this video I must give you step by step. Or not, but maybe I can give you some tips when you want drawing in this application, like add layer for making your line, because this will help you ensure letter when correcting. Okay, please tap this create new layer and okay, I like this part. This part is coloring. I wanna put best color. I should pick gray color for base. Oh yes, when you wanna transform your object, you can press Ctrl T. Okay, don't forget to add color again. Please stay in my video and enjoy your stay. Yay! Finally, this is the result of my art. I must save my art to JPEG. Just press the Ctrl, Shift, and Ace. You can change the name. I wanna give my art name. And don't forget to change the format file too, because the real format file is PSD or PSD Photoshop. You must change to JPEG. Okay, don't forget. And when you done, you can press save. Thank you guys for watching my video till end. I hope what I shared will be giving you inspiration. Bye bye.